Now that presumptive Republican nominee Donald Trump has all but wrapped this thing up, he's been going after Hillary on her terrible record, on her numerous scandals and investigations, and on her overall lack of any honesty, integrity, or character as a human being. She's trying her best to hit back, but really has no leg to stand on, and in doing so is only exposing the height of her own hypocrisy.
Donald Trump enriched himself at the expense of hardworking people. Donald Trump himself is a fraud.
Trump has exposed himself as a fraud? Mrs. Clinton, coming from someone like you, that's just laugh out loud funny. How in the world can you say something like that with a straight face, and then look at yourself in the mirror, and then sleep at night? Your entire life has been nothing but bouncing from one fraudulent endeavor to the next, and it started all the way back in Arkansas with Whitewater, where you scammed elderly people out of their homes, all the way up to conning the American people about a video being the cause of an incident stemming from your utter incompetence. She had the nerve to continue down this road.
It's important that we recognize what he has done, because that's usually a pretty good indicator of what he will do.
You know, Hillary, I'm glad you brought that up, because if you're right, then we know exactly what to expect from you. We can expect you'll leave ambassadors begging for more security to die. We can expect more of our brave troops to be left to die, and we can expect you'll lie to cover it up. We can expect you'll have a private server insulating you from subpoenas and Freedom of Information Act requests. And we can expect you to lie to cover that up. We can expect you'll continue to cover for your serial adulterer husband, Bill the Rapist, as he roams the halls of the White House with nothing to do but prey on the interns. We can expect the investigations against you to come to a grinding halt, and for you to be the first president in history to self-pardon. And we can expect the body count to rise in your wake, as people who know the truth about you need to be silenced. You want us to worry about what Trump is going to do? How do you live with yourself?
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and donate at theraywarnershow.com.